If your store isn't showing up in AI answers, you are already losing traffic because people don't Google like before. They ask questions and AI decide who gets recommended. 57% of consumers now use AI tools to research, compare, or shop online. And no, SEO is not dead. In fact, SEO is the reason AI knows your store exists at all. So the problem? Most Shopify sellers are optimizing for yesterday's Google, not today's AI-driven search. And that's why their traffic is flat, even though demand is higher than before. In this video, I'll show you how I actually use Google SEO data. Why Shopify stores with weak SEO never appears in AI suggestions. Why does SEO still matter when AI is everywhere? Listen to this. Less than 1% of people click on the second page of Google. Means if you are not on page 1, you are invisible. And now it's even harder because Google shows AI summaries at the top. People get answers without even scrolling. Google wants you to show websites that answers people questions clearly. AI tools, same. They pull answers from websites that already have good SEO. So if you do SEO right, you show up everywhere. Google, ChatGPT, Gemini, all of them. Okay, so the first thing you need to know what people are actually searching for. And there is a really easy way to see this. Google itself. Just type, let's say, wallet. Now see this. All these are suggested by Google. These are the real keywords people are searching for. And that's free keyword research right here. Now, if you want more details, use Google Keyword Planner. It's free. Shows you how many people search each keyword every month. There are other keyword research tools too. SEO Ant, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. You can use those as well. Now, your goal should be to pick your main keyword. This is the one word or phrase that describes your product best. Think about like this way. If someone asks, what do you sell? That's your main keyword. So if you are selling a leather wallet for men, the main keyword could be leather wallet, man's wallet, slim wallet. Pick one, keep it simple. This keyword goes in your product title, description, everywhere. Now you need supporting keywords. This helps Google understand your product better. Main keyword is wallet. Supporting keywords are genuine leather wallet, RFID blocking wallet, minimalistic wallet, bifold wallet. These ads details help Google know exactly what you are selling. Later, you will add these in your descriptions, FAQs all over the page. Alright, now let's actually do this. I will use a wallet product as an example. First, your product title. Put your main keyword at the first. Like you can see the example on the screen, right? Short, clear, easy to read. Also, you can get help from Shopify Sidekick to make your title. Just give a prompt and it will generate a title for your product. Scroll down to description. This is where you use main keyword and supporting keywords. Write natural, like you're explaining to a friend. Use main keywords 2-3 times. Sprinkle supporting keywords where they fit. Again, you can ask Sidekick to make your product description. Now scroll to the bottom. You can see the SEO title example in the screen. So meta description should be short summary around 150 to 160 character. Please maintain that. Use main and supporting keywords. This is what people see on Google search before they click and get into the product. Last thing, images. Google can't see images, it reads alt text. So just click on the image and now from here you can add alt text. For each image, add alt text. That's one product done. Now do the same for all products. Same step every time. Now let's set up SEO for your whole store. Go to online store, then preferences. Here you set your site, title and meta description. This describes your entire store, not just one product. This helps Google understand what your store is about. Alright, now the important part. How do you show up in AI answers? Listen, AI doesn't ignore SEO. AI uses SEO. ChatGPT, Gemini, all these tools pull answers from websites with good SEO. So, if your Shopify store already had good SEO, you are halfway there. Now, let me show you what AI likes, what makes it pick your store over others. Number one, answer questions naturally. AI loves content that answers real questions. And here is a good example. Looking for a wallet that lasts? This genuine leather wallet handles daily use without wearing out. What people are searching, if that is on your description, AI will pick it. Also, it clears the answer, means while someone will read this description, it have the most probable options to be get clicked. Number two, so you know what you're talking about. AI looks for something called EEAT. Sounds complicated? It's not. That means experience, share customer stories, expertise, show you know your products. Authority, mention certifications or quality standards. Trust, answer common doubts. Just write like someone who actually knows wallets. Use different words for same thing. Don't repeat wallet 10 times. So mix it up like wallet, bifold, card holder, leather accessories. AI is smart. It knows this means the same thing. Make it easy to read. Break your content into sections. Use bullet points. Keep sentences short. AI scans content like humans do. If it's messy, AI can skip it. Make it clean. Number 5, add FAQs. This is gold. Add FAQ sections to every product page. Answer common questions. Is this RFID blocking? What material? How many cards fit? AI pulls answers straight from FAQs. Easy win there. Number 6, use Schema Markup. Little technical but worth it. Schema is code that helps Google show star rating, prices, stock. Most Shopify themes have this built in or use apps. This helps AI understand your product better too. Number 7, cover everything about your product. Don't just say leather wallet and stop. Talk about material quality, how many cards it can hold, size dimensions, who it is for, common problem it solves. Look, more complete equal more likely AI picks you. Section 9, keep updating. Last thing, don't do SEO once and forget. Update your content every few months. Add FAQs, update descriptions, write blog posts. Google and AI both love active stores. Show you are real, you are relevant, and you are live. Look, SEO seems hard at first, but once you get it, it's easy. And it's free traffic, you are not paying ads. You are just showing up where people already search. So these are the ways and strategies to improve your SEO for your Shopify website and also get relevant with AI searches. If this helped, subscribe to Ecomclips. Hit the bell so you don't miss videos and it's free. So you have another question? Drop them below. We read every comment and reply them carefully. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.